sweeties. Today I'm going to do another little video on tips and tricks of the trade. This one's about hairline, and it's probably one of the most talked about and most thought about when you're designing wigs, other than style. It is the hairline. Women want it to look real, and especially when you've had this beautiful hair forever and ever, and then all of a sudden you lose your hair, and anything you put on, if it's gonna look wiggy at all, you think it looks wiggy right here. Then we come along with smart lace. Wait, I'm gonna brush my hair all back. This, of course, is my little Sweet Talk, and it does have lace in the front. And here's how I want you to do it. You're gonna take your 5 fingers underneath the bang, see, curved, can you see that? And we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you're going to count to about 30. And you're going to press hard. Press and print. And what that does is make that lace just really disappear into your skin. All right, now you're going to start the sides. Circle, 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 circle. See how I kind of made it a mess? Now, there are some tools that I want to show you. These are kind of my own made-up tools, but boy, do they ever work. When you go to Sally's or any beauty supply, you can sometimes find these even at Walmart or Target, and what they are, they're brush cleaners, and it's metal, and here's a little one for a little brush or a little comb, and here's the bigger size, and it cleans your brushes. And then this one is my most favorite one. It was also in the section with these brushes, and one side is a brush like that to clean your comb. This little side is my little plastic rake. Can you see that? Here's what you're going to do. All right, those are 2. Let me keep going. And then, of course, there's just your regular little comb with the tiny, tiny teeth. And you go straight up like this. Circle, 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 circle. See how I'm pulling out up like that? And then this, you just go straight up, circle, bring out, bring out, bring out. And the more you do that and you practice it, you can do that in about 2 seconds. Let me look in the mirror and see what it looks like. Yeah. There's what it is. Can you see it, girls? I just love doing this because once you learn how to do it, and then look, circle, 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 push, push, circle, 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 circle. Or take this one, down, 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 down. Off you go. Even your best friend or your best enemy is going to look at you across the table, and they're not going to dream that you have a wig on. Have a great day.